guys, I know I'm making another video again, as you guys probably can tell. But probably this will probably be out tomorrow. I'm uploading within 3 videos. This one, my New Year's and this game that me and my brother played. I'm uploading those 3. So I'm gonna give you an update of on my birds. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Okay, so my birds are so cute. Jace and Blue, the blue one right there. I'm not sure if you get you guys his face. There you go, there you go. So, as you can tell, they're not big. They're not that big. They're just like gaining a lot of weight. So Jace, he's just a baby, and Blue is just a baby. First, I noticed that they hate each other. Now they like each other, like they're best friends now, like this. So what I did today was I put some bird seeds in here. I stuck it in a cage, and they both jumped on it and started eating. And it was real cool, and it actually tickled. So what else that I was talking about is that Jace's tail, where he at? Can I get him in this? Oh, there we go. Jace's tail is getting really long, like it's getting longer, and he hates when I touch it. So I just want to touch it for you guys. And they've been tearing up his food. Food right here, and their food like right in the middle. But this is a lot of food, I think, still. But they just eating a lot. So you probably can tell that we have the same 2 colors of birds. And an update. When I first had Blue, she was by herself, and then we went to the pet store the next day after Christmas. We bought her, but we also saw a white one that was a girl, so we was planning on getting that one, but we got that one. So I really don't know if we're getting a third one to get that one. That's gonna be hard training because we've been training them at the same time. So I don't know. And she's been eating the food ever since I got back. He just standing there eating it. Look. You see yourself, don't you? Okay, so comment down below if you have any birds, and comment down below if I'm going to do a second update in the past 2 weeks. Bye guys, love you.